In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Doordash Gift Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a gift card to your account so it's ready to use on your next order. First, make sure you have a Doordash account. Open the Doordash app on your phone or go to doordash.com in a web browser. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your existing credentials. If you're new to Doordash, choose the option to sign up and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. This only takes a minute and ensures the gift card balance will be securely stored in your personal wallet. Next, go to your account menu. In the app, tap the profile or account icon, usually found in the bottom or top corner of the screen. On the website, look for your account or profile area. Inside that menu, select Gift Card or Payment. Different versions of the app may show slightly different labels, but you're looking for the section where payment methods and credits are managed. Now it's time to redeem your gift card. Tap Redeem Gift Card. You'll see a field to enter the gift card code, sometimes referred to as a PIN. If you have a physical card, gently scratch off the protective strip to reveal the code. If it's a digital card, you'll find the code in the email or message that delivered it. Type the code carefully, then click Redeem. If you run into an error, double-check for commonly mixed-up characters like the letter O and the number 0. And make sure you're using the correct regional Doordash site if your card is country-specific. After you redeem, confirm that the balance was added. You should see a success message and an updated balance. The gift card value is converted into Doordash credit and stored in your account wallet. This means the credit is now tied to your account and will be available whenever you place an order from the app or website. If you don't see the balance right away, try refreshing the page or briefly navigating away and back to the wallet or payment screen. From this point forward, your Doordash credit will automatically apply to eligible orders at checkout before any other payment method is charged, if your order total is higher than your credit. The remainder will be covered by your saved payment method. Keep your gift card code private, and remember that once redeemed, credit generally can't be transferred to another account. That's it. You've added your Doordash gift card, confirmed the balance, and your wallet is ready to go for your next meal.